Hello, my name's Leslie Wills, and this is my cafe, which is a free-from cafe. It's totally gluten-free, and I suppose we've been here for about just over a year and a bit. My biggest challenge to date, I suppose, is managing staff. So I think I would definitely think about how many hours I'd give people, and also the skills that your staff have, so because they are the front of your business. So I think I would have really researched more into staffing. So my proudest moment was last year in about August time, and I got picked as one of the finalists for the Prime Cymru award for new business. And I met Prince Charles and I had a chat with Prince Charles. He was very sort of interested about my business, and yeah, I even had a little joke with him. So best marketing advice is really, I feel, your customers. So we get a lot of really good reviews from TripAdvisor, so it's been a sort of a knock-on effect. So it really is for me about giving total customer service. My customer is everything. So yeah, that's my advice. Yeah, so I got support from Business Wales. I think I got the first sort of allotment of funding. So yes, which was really helpful. So I got support from that. But I went for crowdfunding as well, which I wasn't successful. But I've been very, very lucky that I've actually had friends that have pulled together and lent me money. So I think a good trait is passion. I'm very passionate. I have had several businesses, and so health and well-being has always been my passion. So I've actually feel passion's the first thing. An eye for detail. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm always very creative, so I'm always generally trying to think about how to move my business forward. But most of all, it's about loving what you do. If you don't love what you do, then really, if you're just going for the money, don't do it. I think one of the things would be a good branding, so have an overall brand, an overall look. Have an aim to take your business forward. So some businesses really have opened and then they don't. So you want to bring your business forward. And the last one is really staffing, making sure you've got the people that actually will carry your business forward.